This is a final video to fix Lian Li O11 dynamic EVO RGB LED strip crashing and freezing. Are you tired of your RGB lights flickering, freezing, or not responding at all? This usually happens because of software conflicts, incorrect power connections, or outdated firmware that confuses your motherboard. Many guides on YouTube make it look complicated with long steps and confusing settings. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works every time. All you need is to reset your LED controller, update the firmware, and reconnect the strip in the right order to stop crashes instantly. This method avoids messy reinstallations or trial and error settings, giving you smooth, stable RGB lighting in minutes. If you want, comment below and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it from start to finish.